great question. We get this all the time because you wonder, how many sales calls do I do to a referral source before I stop visiting them if they're not going to give me a referral? Well, the beautiful thing is that we teach in the High Performance Sales Academy the sales process. It's a 5-step sales process. And this is exactly what it's designed to do, is to get you the referral. And if you don't get the referral, what do you do? Well, for us, is what we see is that most reps get their first referral somewhere between the 5th and 8th visit. Now, what if you go every time and every week, you see the right people, but you're on the 10th or 12th visit? Well, that's when we ask you to do step 4 of the sales process, and we call that the reveal sales call. So the answer is, first, number 1, are you seeing the decision makers? Just because you go 5 or 8 or 10 or 12, even 12 times, if you're not seeing the person who has the authority to give you a referral, I would submit to you that's not a full sales call. Sure, you're probably moving the ball and creating influencers and peers, but please know we're asking you to see the decision maker at the facility or at the office. So first, only count those towards your goal of how many sales calls did you do. Now, once you get to 10 or 12 actual in-person dialogue with the decision maker visits, that's when you really got to ask yourself, is this account worthy of my time? And you have to reveal why. Why are they not referring to you? Because if you qualified them on your first visit, which is step 1, you would know that they have referrals and are open to trying you. So the short answer is 10 to 12 visits. If you haven't got a referral, you've got to move to that step 4 sales process, sales call, reveal. We look forward to seeing you in the next session to answer your questions.